This video will give an overview of the Moving Cells Engineering Design Challenge. You will be the engineer who creates your own magnetic device to move cells. When creating your design, you will follow the engineering design process. You will need to identify the problem, then design, build, and test a solution. No design is perfect on the first try, so after each test, you will need to redesign, rebuild, and retest. Remember, engineers make it good, then make it better. Let's identify what we are trying to build in the Moving Cells Design Challenge. As you've already learned, engineers can use magnetic devices to move and sort cells to very specific places. For your design challenge, you are going to design and build a device that can move cells to targets. These steel marbles will represent the cells, and the maze will represent the channels we move the cells through. You will be using a regular magnet instead of magnetic tweezers to move the cells around. The device you build will be a long, arm-like tool with a magnet attached to it. You are going to use this arm to move the cell, which is attracted to the magnet, through the maze. The tool that you design will be put in this opening, and the magnet will work through the bottom of the box to control your cell. Here, I am using my own arm to hold the magnet and move it around. But when working with tiny things like cells, you can't hold them and move them. So, you will need to build a device that will take the place of my arm. It needs to hold the magnet and move it around so that it can control the cell. The channel maze has 3 levels: white, black, and silver. Your primary goal is to move the cells through these levels and to one of the targets at the end. When you reach one target, restart and try to reach the second one. Once you achieve all the levels and both targets, weigh your device and write down how much it weighs. Then, you can move on to the secondary goal. The secondary goal is to modify your device so that it is as lightweight as possible. Engineers like it when we can use less materials to do the same job. You will build your device from a variety of materials, including things like construction paper, straws, Q-tips, tape, and of course a magnet. Your materials will be limited, so make sure you think through your design before you start building. There is one very important rule you must follow when testing your device. You can only have your device and your hand through this hole. You are not allowed to stick any of your arm through the hole, just your hand. The cutoff point will be right at your wrist. Now it's time for you to build your device. Remember to follow and repeat the engineering design process. What will you engineer?